Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we have 5 plus 3 parentheses 4 plus 2. So first of all, solve our parentheses, which is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. Then we'll bring down 5 plus 3 times 6. So 5 plus 3 will give us 8. Then 8 times 6 will give us 48. So 48 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have the parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, moving from our left to our right in order to have a very good answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this expression. So first of all, solve our parentheses, which is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. Then we'll bring down 5 plus 3 times 6. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there's a multiplication sign in between. So first of all, solve our multiplication before we solve our addition, because multiplication comes first before addition. So 3 times 6 will give us 18. Then we'll put down our 18 here. Then 5 plus 18 will give us 23. So 23 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.